Yo, yo, this is Mikey here. And now, this, as you can see, I'm not biking. In fact, I'm on my computer. So, we got multiple games. This is going to be the gaming part, but we'll see. So, let's get started with some Universe Sandbox. Alright, see this thing. Well, there we go. So, this is my first time, using like this for like a YouTube video, but once I'm once I get more into it, then I can go. So what do we got here? So let's do some. So what we're gonna do? Let's get. We're gonna. Let's do. What should we do? I mean, we're gonna do. Hmm. Let's do this one. You know. All right. And then we're gonna do Capillars. Let's put it right here. What we're gonna do is we're gonna multiply it by a couple hundred times. And this is Kepler. Let's see how it fares against this sun. Alright. So, oh, so today we're just going to be doing some Universe Sandbox stuff. Oh, it's, oh, oh, did I forget to do the orbit tool? Yep. Huh, that's strange. Let's do Kepler stuff. Yeah, so obviously as, I get better with, the gaming stuff. Let's turn this up a few notches or so. Oh boy, that was too warm. Let's turn it down a lot. No, there, that's good. So, once I get better, setup of my gaming stuff, then obviously my voice will sound better on the microphone. But what I want to do eventually is maybe live stream. Well, let's add Jupiter. Alright, I'm just gonna go along with Saturn and its moons. Oh god. Huh. Wow, look at that. Let's add. Alright. And then let's add well, let's do Neptune next. And we're gonna add Jupiter. I feel like so I'll speed this up a bit. Oh, I guess I can't run any faster. Well, I guess that's the quickest it can go. So, here's my system. So anyway, this is gonna be like a preview of my gaming part of like the biking channel, but obviously I'll be taking videos of like, you know, like myself biking, but some of it will be some gaming. Then once I get like stuff, I'll do like a face reveal for the gaming stuff. But once I get like a phone holder, then like yeah, well I don't know what I'm saying, but like I feel like once I get a phone holder, like the biking stuff should be like less shaky. But this is gonna be a preview of like gaming. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna add a black hole. 10 million. See if it affects. Oh boy. Haha. Damn. Oh damn. Oh my god. Let's make this. Let's make this black hole. Why don't we make it a couple more times bigger? Wow, damn. Is there anything, or did it just swallow up? Well, so if these channels, well, I don't know. So one of the channels I want to give a shout out to is Arrow. He's like, and like Andrew Whitner, like he suggested this channel, and so here I am, like, so the forecast for tomorrow is like, well, depending how much it rains, I might do another gaming video tomorrow, but I am planning to do a biking video if it doesn't rain. But this is a preview of the biking, of the gaming part of the biking channel. Well, anyways, so please like and subscribe, leave a comment, and I'll be doing some more gaming videos. Alright.